as the United Nations family, could not work here if you, Ungu, were not here making that possible. So I really want to recognize and thank you from the bottom of my heart for what you are doing.
Praise of United Nations, Mr. Marcus, you're welcome. And also allow me in a special way
I do plan to go to Kampala at some point, and I will certainly make a point of telling your president and your CDF and your politicians and leaders just how special you are for us.
This medal has given me a chance or an opportunity to continue working with UN. I believe it has opened my doors.
I appreciate the organization of the United Nations so much for what they have done, because it's not easy to get a medal unless you work hard.